Hi Sweaties, welcome back. And today everyone loves fishing, right? It's a new mechanic presented in chapter 2 of Fortnite, and now everyone uses it to get fish, which are great meds, as well as weapons. But what if you could only use the weapons and meds that you fish? That is what I am going to do today. Here are the rules. Obviously very straightforward for the most part. If I can only pick up from chests and around just harpoon guns and fishing rods. I have to use those to fish my weapons and my fish for meds. However, if I get a harpoon gun, I am allowed to use that to damage people. That's all the stuff. My teammates are allowed to use whatever they want. And without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Are we dropping there?
Come on, Sweaties, we're going sweaty.
Hey, you sweaties. I missed my entry point. Well, it's time to go in through a window.
TJ, the editor, has left the party.
Yes, legendary chest.
You know, I'm gonna have a nickname Owen, AJ's editor.
Alrighty, Fortnite noobs. What have we
Alright.
done?
Knocked one.
Oh, you found someone? Oh, there are people by me. Hey, this is my house. Get off my proper. Oh, there you go.
Where are the fishing
Oh.
rods, bro?
Harpoon! I found you a harpoon! Harpoon! Here, I'll
You
bring-
did?
Oh,
Let's go! Let's go!
No, wait, bandy while you're in it.
No, I
No.
can't use bandages. I didn't
Yeah?
fish them.
Dude.
My
My
loot
loot
is
is
a harpoon
a purple. My loot is a purple og and a gold pump.
Here
My
comes
loot is a
the
balloon
day.
harpoon, a blue harpoon gun, and that's it. You don't need skill to loot. That's
I
not
just
how looting
don't.
works. It's all luck.
What is this kid?
No, but like, sometimes I just don't even like.
I just found a blue AR. Let's go. Blue pistol. I have an
shot
AR.
for the game.
That's good stuff. I
Okay.
really gotta start fishing some shotguns, you know?
Because I don't have many materials.
Oh, jeez!
What is it,
That
people?
bot has I don't know who.
Tifu?
Got him.
Jeez, it was like 2 seconds and my health bar was gone. Yeah, you can't loot that stuff. You can't loot that.
No, I'm only allowed to loot the mats and ammo.
There are many there.
I've got 2 kills so far. This challenge is going pretty well. Okay, I'm not.
Okay, you drop there.
I'll drop
Are
risky.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop risky too. Are we also doing the challenge, or can we use whatever we want?
You can use whatever you want.
Okay.
In these challenges, I think it should be I have to get final kill.
Okay, yeah,
because
that
of the
sounds fair.
content.
Do you like record that?
Oh wait,
Right?
frick! This would be my 50th win.
If we
Ooh.
do end up winning.
I literally just got a gold pump first chest.
I just got a green pump for this chest, but I'm gonna have to use it.
Oh my
I
god,
don't
44
think-
headshot damage.
Leading with something's gonna do much.
Okay, I knocked
Ooh,
two.
gold rocket launcher.
Nice.
Killed one.
Okay, out
Gotta love it. Do you have a fishing rod, AJ?
Yep, I have it.
Okay.
here. Are you carrying minis, Ryan?
I am.
I need an AR. Dude, oh, thank you. That's a great AR.
That's kind of crap, though. Eat your flopper.
Then speed is truth.
Up there, somewhere.
And a slurp fish. Nice.
I killed him. That guy died right
Another
away. He was
frog?
probably the last guy to spawn. Oh, okay. I'm gonna carry it. for
I
Jay. Are
mean,
you
loot
able?
could be better, but not bad.
Yeah, Ryan?
You know, like the chests that are, you know, like the ice killer chests or whatever. You know those?
The fish chest?
Yeah, the fish chests. Can you
Oh.
use fish from there?
No, I have to fish it.
Okay. Go to the like place with the 3 chests. You know. Oh, AJ, you're kind of far from us.
Yeah, I've just gotta fish every spot I can. I don't have a gun yet.
Okay.
Pretty freaking hungry.
Can you eat mushrooms?
No. Oh, yes. Gee, yes, I can.
Okay. Come to me. There's a ton of mushrooms over here. Yeah. Don't use it now, because I think there might be enough mushrooms to get everything. Who's shooting?
I'm getting shot at.
Epic, epic, epic.
Yeah, I'm gonna rocket launch him.
Savant, don't waste it. I knocked him.
Because I barely see anyone, and the one person. Oh!
Scar.
What? Did you what?
The one person I did see, I did most of the damage to before Ryan finished him.
Yeah, after. In 20? And in 40? Ah, I hit him again.
25,
He's low.
26,
Don't have a
white,
gun? Don't have a
white.
gun? Don't have a
Yeah, he's
gun?
one shot, I think.
Don't have a
Got
gun? Don't have a gun? Oh. Nice. You totally stole my
Very
kill.
Epic, very epic. Yo, my bad. Sorry, bro. I do a fishing spot. We could go to one of those, like, let's go here.
Here comes
That
Just
place
fly,
always has,
no,
like-
just fly along the water.
Oh, right there, right there.
And then there's another one there, so we're good.
Why don't you just fly in?
No, AJ, there's one there.
Oh, I see.
Okay, hop in. Get to the other one. Oh my god. Okay,
Oh my
hop in.
goodness. So many meds, but just no weapons. If I could just find one weapon, I feel like I should be set.
I'm gonna take this chest.
Why did you just jump out? Okay. This. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Hop in. I'm not gonna go to the ones let's get the ones on okay. I'll go
3 over there. There's 3
Like, it's
in
good
a
to
line
have
over
some-
there.
There's one
Yes.
right here too, okay? So
Right there.
hop out.
Hop out.
AJ, hop out.
Okay, please, please, please. Oh, gun,
No. Oh,
gun,
come on.
gun, gun, gun.
Okay, that's not
Gun?
epic, not epic.
Gun, 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 gun,
There.
gun, 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 gun.
Hop in.
I have 3 stacks of floppers.
I literally can't see. People in the boat.
Okay, more surface.
Oh my god, I literally just destroyed him. Holy crap. Watch out, there's a guy disguised. Yo, I think I just had the best bloom that there's like ever been ever. I hit double headshots and then I hit a
You got me first.
is there anybody
No
else?
wait,
Oh,
I
no.
kind of need. Oh,
Yeah, let AJ have the slurp. Let
No,
AJ
he already
have the
took
slurp.
it.
I have a big pot.
Yeah, I got you.
no, I'm not allowed to use that.
I know.
Oh,
I hit him 100. I knocked him.
I'm shaking.
You know what I did?
There's people swimming.
I hit him 13 life. Okay.
I didn't make a damage,
Oh my god.
but I'm hurting though.
There's people literally everywhere. I don't know who's who.
Drum gun. The
I-
drum gun's so freaking OP. I love it.
Is there more people? Yeah, this guy is low. This guy's at like 80 HP. I mean 70.
I got him.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna go get
Yo,
this
that
guy
was
food over here.
so freaking hectic right there. AJ, there's a fishing spot.
A gun!
You got a gun, let's go!
Okay, harpoon gun, right here. AJ, right here, harpoon gun.
Harpoon
Harpoon gun?
That's
Let's
perfect.
go!
Why'd you rush without us? I'm gonna pop a big, okay? And then I'll be with you.
I rocketed myself, are you serious? I was that close? I did damage though, I did damage.
Kill him.
Did you crack him? Does he have shield
He's
still?
dead.
He's dead.
Oh, nice.
Now that I have a gun, that is possible.
Did you get the
Yeah, there's another fishing
harpoon
spot
gun?
if you want to fish again.
Yeah.
Shooting.
Might as well just try and get Slurpfish to replace one of my
Can I have a shield? I don't got a shield.
Or
I have
just
a
like
big
an
box.
AR or an SMG or something like that.
Jake, where are you? Big box.
I'm right here.
And, okay. Wait, I'm pretty sure there's minis, like, all over. I
I'm
see
popping
them.
this kit. I'm popping the thing.
I'm gonna rush.
Okay, I hit him 30. I hit him another 60. I knocked
Okay.
him. Okay,
Gotta get this guy, this last guy.
he has to kill him. Let AJ get the kill.
Yep.
Don't, just watch.
He's
I
over
see
here.
him, I
he's right
see
here.
him. I see him. Jake,
He's
don't
over here,
throw.
he's over here. Jake, don't shoot him.
I know.
Oh,
I
it's a
see
bot,
him, I
it's a
see him.
bot. Let's go. Let's go, it's a bot.
Jake,
He's an epic fish boy right now.
Sure.
I'm just
it's Mr.
minding
Top
you.
5! Let's go!
Yeah, that's 50 wins, right?
That's 50 wins and I completed the challenge. Let's go. Now that's a video.
That is an epic video.